Hey there, you cavers, and welcome back to my channel, Asafos Man Cave, for another video. And today I've prepared a short video regarding the supplementary product of a product I've already reviewed in this channel. The product that I've already reviewed is the glove glue mega grip. Okay. And now today I really wanted to review the supplementary product of this product, which focuses on the wash, prepare, clean, and protect the latex of your goalkeeper gloves. Apparently these products are pretty much, complete each other. There is like this natural cycle in which you play your match. Your gloves get dirty, you wash them with this product, glove wash and prepare. After they dry up, you use the glove glue, and vice versa. When they are soiled after the match, you wash them again, you glue them again, and you're ready for action again. Okay, so today I really wanted to review this product. Actually, this product comes with two sizes. It's come with 250 mils or 120 mils. I recommend buy only the 250 mils because it is just a better price for what you get. If you check on the internet, you can see this product in various prices, ranging up to even $30. Okay, but this is too expensive. I think you can find the best deal in Glove Glue website. In there you can find it the big amount of 250 mils for only 13 pounds, which is approximately $16. I think this is the best deal you can find. Okay, so we really want to review and to understand, is this product effective? Can it remove the dirt and the soiled conditions of after match or after a few matches from our gloves? Okay, and let's give it a try. Okay, so I'll be testing this product on my Stano hard ground gloves. You can see I have here a pair of gloves which are really soiled. Okay, this is my Stano hard ground gloves. Okay, you can see they are really soiled. Okay, they actually turned black, and if you can really note, there are even small pieces of sand, okay, small residue of sand and dirt, and obviously the grip has gone down significantly. Okay, so we need to try and get them to a brand shape again. Just for comparison purposes, I have here a brand new pair of the same glove, Stano hard ground. Okay, these are totally new. You can see the vast difference between the new latex and the heavily used and soiled latex. Okay, this is like extreme, and they're both now on dry condition. Okay, so we need to understand, no matter what method we use to clean the gloves, they will never come back to new state, but our goal here is to improve as much as we can, to remove as much soil as we can, to keep our latex in good shape, so we can apply the glove glue and be ready for the next match. Okay, so as I mentioned, we want to see how effective is this product, glove glue wash and prepare. We have to assume that we will see good result and most of this soiled situation will disappear. We want to see how good is it. what is the actual difference between the state now and the state after we do the wash and clean. Okay, a small note. We must be fair, and we must mention that the most traditional way to clean your gloves is absolutely free, no cost, and it just rubbing them together with hot water. Okay, we must understand, we must be fair. This is the traditional way, which from my experience of like 20 years ago, just help you clean like 90% of the soil situation and 90% of the dirt from your gloves. Okay, so let's be fair and be reminded that you can just as well clean your gloves with hot water, rub them, let them dry. You're guaranteed a fair result. Okay, but if you want to take your caring for your gloves to the next level, and you consider yourself as a professional goalkeeper or maybe an amateur, but you want to keep them on the best shape you can, I think that some of the glove glue products can really help us. If you remember my last review on the glove glue mega grip, we had very good results. Okay, we've managed to create a significant stickiness and grippiness from this product. It was really good. So if we want to take the cleaning to the next level, I think we can try to use this wash and prepare and see the result. And let's get on with the test. Okay, let's read some of the instructions on the product. It says like this. What I personally liked is that this is not just a cleaner, it also helps to preserve the condition of the latex and to contribute to its longevity. Okay, so that's exactly what the product ratings are saying. Okay, washes and prepares latex for enhanced longevity and performance for all types of goalkeeper gloves. Okay, if we go to the instructions part, we can see they are very clear and very simple to apply. Immediately after play, spray glove glue wash and prepare onto the palm of each glove. Spray 4 to 6 times. Rub the gloves, glue, wash and prepare while wearing the gloves. 2. Wash the gloves under running warm water and continue to rub palms gently together. Okay, easy to do. If the gloves are very dirty, repeat the procedure. Once the dirt has been removed, rinse the gloves in hot water, squeeze out any excess water and material, I will add, and allow to dry naturally away from direct sunlight. Okay, so instructions are pretty simple and we can start doing the test. Okay, let me just put on the gloves. Yeah, just ignore the wear and tear and just focus on the soiled state of the gloves, okay, and so we can make them better. Hot water. Okay, after I got the gloves wet with hot water, I can take the product and, as instructed, applying it to the gloves. Okay, this is the actual active ingredients here. Okay, just rubbing it thoroughly. You can see before even I turn on the water again, you can see there is a difference. Can you note this? There is a difference. Some of the black soiled parts are starting to get lighter in color. Okay, that's really interesting, even before I've turned on the water. Okay, I hope you can notice this. Okay, but obviously you need to rub this with hot water, so let's do it. You can start to see the black soiled parts getting cleaner. You can see soiled black water pouring out of the gloves into the sink. I'm just squeezing the gloves strong in order to remove all the dirty water. Okay, it was mentioned that if they are heavy soil, you can repeat the process. So I just put some more stuff, some more ingredients, because I can see that in the middle part it is still soiled. Look, all the black dots of the dirty water and liquids going down to the sink. Check this out, even before I turned on the water. Okay, I'm using a lot of ingredients just because the gloves were really soiled and didn't care for them for a few days. So my guess is that on the average you won't need to use so much ingredients, but I choose to do so. Also in order to emphasize the difference between the before and after. Okay. I think you already can start to see a significant improvement. The gloves were literally black and now they are trying to beginning to get back to their original yellowish color. Check this out. Okay, let's open the warm water again. Okay, check the amount of black water still coming off. They were really soiled and dirty. Okay, I think that's enough. Some of the black spots you can see is just because they are soaked with water. So what I suggest now, let's give them a nice dry on this towel over there, and we continue the video after they are dried up and we can see the difference. So thanks for now, UKers. Hi you guys and welcome again. So we've allowed the gloves to dry naturally and using a towel. So let's see the results. I think as you can see the results is very good. Most of the blackish stains which engulfed the entire gloves are pretty much gone. Obviously the sand residue is gone, and as I mentioned, most of the black color from the palms is gone. Okay, so I think the result is really good, really thorough. I'm pleased. Let's just take for comparison the new gloves, okay, the new pair. Okay, so obviously as we mentioned, they won't be exactly the same because these are totally new and these are used, but you can see that the differences have gone smaller. Okay, so now after the clean, the shape and color is more similar to the new condition. Okay, so I can say that I pretty much recommend this product. Okay, if you want to take your cleaning practice to the next level for only $16, I think it's absolutely worth it, and you have like a huge amount of 250 mils, which is enough for a very long time, for multiple washes, for even months. Okay, so I think $16 are absolutely worth it. Okay, in order to get your cleaning practice to the next level. Okay, that was all for today, you guys. I really want to thank you again for watching this video, and as always, if you found value, it would be much appreciated if you could subscribe to my channel to support me. Hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, feel absolutely free, okay, to make them in the comment section. I will gladly reply. So guys, this is the end point. Thank you for watching and have a great week.